Hello guys, today is a new series I'm starting, so this is day 1. So this series is just called An Integral a Day Keeps the Doctor Away. So our first integral is this one. Can you guys solve this? So it's just this one. It's a pretty easy one actually if you know the trick. So it's just the integral of cosecant cubed x times secant x dx. So first of all, you can see this and think about it. It's like, oh, what is cosecant x is? It's just 1 over sine, right? So we can just replace this into 1 over sine cubed x. What is secant squared equals to? That's just 1 over cos, right? So it's now cosine x dx. And then what does 1 equal to? If you guys know any trig identities, you all know that 1 equals to sine squared x plus cosine x squared x. So this is just the integral of sine squared x plus cosine. So here we go. Now we're on this one. Also, before I'm going to get any further, I'm going to separate this this integrand because I think it's gonna be easier if I split it up. So as you can see, I have just split up the function, the integrand. Now we can just cancel things out, so we can cancel this, leaving us with 1 up here, and then we can cancel this, also this one. We can also cancel this, leaving us with just cosine. So this is just gonna be like dx. And then there's also 1 here. What does 1 also equal to? Yup, it's also equal to sine squared x plus cosine squared x. I'm going to also split up that because it's gonna be easier too. Also, now we have this, which is pretty long. We can cancel things out, as you can see. This just cancel, then cancel this too, and then that. I'm gonna clean this up. So I just clean everything up, and as you can see, we have a lot of very similar things. Like, what is sine over cos? This is tangent, right? So this is just the integral of tangent x. And then what is cosine over sine? That's just cotangent, right? Wait, excuse me. And then we can just leave this for now. And then from our table of integrals, as you can see, what is the integral of tangent x dx? That's just ln, or the natural log of secant x, also the absolute value of it, plus the natural log of sine x. And then for this part, I'm going to integrate later. And then this part, because this is a logarithm, we can just multiply them. So this is just, also I'm going to write secant as 1 over cos, right? So this is just ln of 1 over cos times sine, that's just sine over cos. And then what is sine over cos? This is tangent. And then so for this part, we got ln, or natural log of tangent x. And then for this part, we have to integrate it. And then for this part, actually it's pretty easy. We can just use u substitution. So let's just set u as sine x. We'll take the derivative of that, which is just du over dx. I'm gonna multiply the dx over here. So what's the differentiates of sine x? That's just cosine x, right? Cosine x dx. We can replace this with du, this with du. 3. So this is just integral of 1 over the cube, right? Or we can just say du over the cube. And what's this? That's just the integral of u negative 3 du, like this, negative 1 to the power of negative 3. Then what's this? This is just a power rule, right? So this is the power rule where x to the power of n is just xn1 plus n plus 1. So this is u, what n plus 1? This n plus 1 is 2 over -2 c, right? Or the constant of integration. Replace u with sine. And what is this? This is just 1 over stuff, right? So we can simplify it even further with a negative here. We'll write this as 1 over 2 sine 2x. Let's see. Or we can also take this even further. What is 1 over sine? That's just cosine, right? That's just, cosecant. So we can just rewrite this as cosecant squared x. So as you can see, this is our integral. So this is our answer. Natural log of tangent x minus a half of cosecant squared x plus the constant of integration. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching and see you on the next day, which is day 2.